You'll notice this class is limited to 12 mile an hour. All right, looks like we got a green light, 2 green flags on the track. We're going to Mr. Chuck Fee out of Brighton, Tennessee. Chuck Fee out of Brighton, Tennessee on that dang deer. Fee out of Brighton, Tennessee on that dang deer. Missouri.
Dude. Alright. Never mind. Good.
Joel Reddick out of Barnwell, Kentucky. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big round of applause for Mr. Joel Reddick out of Barnwell, Kentucky. Here comes Mr. Jared Flowers out of Rutherford, Tennessee. All right, let's give it up for Mr. Jared Flowers out of Rutherford, Tennessee. All right, we got a green light, 2 green flags. Here comes Jake Worley out of Poplar Bluff, Missouri on Old Red. On a little 4440 John Deere that they like to call Fear the Deer. Tennessee on Fear the Deer.